can listen to me. If you guys can hear me, just do let me know, please, okay? So that I can change this. Okay. Now you see today we have non-farm payroll. If you can hear me, just do let me know, okay? All right. Can you hear me now? What I'm looking for is that since the price already came into this daily fair value gap, see that? You already filled into this daily fair value gap. There might be some delay. I hope you guys can hear me. So what I was telling you is that since we already filled this fair value gap, now mark the price has to go for the, like, it's an internal, it will be considered as an internal range liquidity. Now price has to offer the external range liquidity, which could be these relative equal highs. You see there are so many highs, like 1 2 3, so that's why I'm considering this as a relative equal highs. Let me These are relative equal highs, folks. All right. Now, since if we consider this fair value gap has been filled and market has to offer the buy side, then we are in the bullish scenario, right? We are in the bullish scenario. So let's do this. The NASDAQ is bullish. Here you can see. Now, if you see this, we have this weekly open over here, and right above this we have these relative equal highs. So if you know, you know what I'm looking for, right, folks? Just do let me know, okay? I told you, you can see clearly what I'm looking for, right, folks? We have this weekly open, and right above this we have relative equal highs, and also we have this new week opening gap, right? This is on the 2nd of September. Then we have like new day opening gap, that's on 3rd of September, right? And we are at the 6th September today. That's what I'm looking for. Now we'll wait until the 9:30 New York time. We have this inversion fair value gap as well. Now for us to go for the buy side, we have to like market has to retrace a bit for the sell side, right? You see we have already did the stop hunt, and we are also at the pool of liquidity, which is a daily fair value gap. All right, so you guys should know what I'll be looking for. Do we have any other news? Yes, we have at 8 o'clock. I'm going to look at the gold as well. This is not a recent chart. This is the recent chart we have. Alright, folks. If you see, this is our swing high. Let's see what's the open. And low of the candle. Now the high of this is like this is the high, you can see. The high of this candle is 25.29, 135, and the high of this candle we have made right now 135. Holy grail, folks. You see the high of this candle 25.29, 135, and the high of this one 25.29, 300. So we already swiped the high, right? Let's look at this one. Alright, folks, now you got what I'm saying? If you guys do know what I'm looking for, we are the bearish on the gold right now. Let's mark it out. You got it? could be in the sale program as well, folks. You see that? Oh, we missed the price action, folks. Here we go. Here we go. You see how clean the price is offering? Sale side, this would be our target, initial target. But overall, we are still bearish. All right. You see Nasdaq bullish, XE bearish. That's obvious the correlation of these markets. I'll be waiting for 9:30, folks. नहीं बेटा, इससे चार्ज पूरी हो रहा है, खाना पूरी है, इससे लगाना. Now I gave you the reference points, folks. We are bullish on the Nasdaq and bearish on the gold because we have already took the all-time high, right? You see there we were so beyond that. Let's see what does this has to say. Oh, okay. It says we already got the breaker block, right? We have this whole margin. I hope you guys understood pretty well what I'm looking at, right? What I'm looking for is that till this, and then look for the buy side. This kind of move I'm looking for in the market. I don't want any kind of chalks or blocks or rocks. This is all I need. Equal lows, equal highs. That's what I'm looking for in the price action, folks. Okay, so just to give you the reference points. Well, now what I want is that I want this low to be breaking out. Like this has to be done with some kind of sharp move, folks. Some kind of sharp move. And if I got a sharp move, then we can go for a short right now. This is the only thing I'm looking for right now in the price action. And you see we have these. Alright, alright. Now you see we took all the. I hope you guys not having any problem listening to me, right? If price close below this swing low, then this would be considered as a market structure shift, and we took this, and this fair value gap will become an inversion, like BPR. that it calls by the fancy smart people who trade SMC or trying to be over smart. That's what they used to call this. This low has not been broken yet. Now what I'm waiting for is that the price could, after the liquidity sweep 9:30, the price will go above this high and then took a make market structure shift. Now we are about to have liquidity sweep for the 9:30. Now you see this is what I was waiting for. Let's wait for the 9:30 sweep. Then we will take any action towards market. We won't take any entry until the 9:30 happens. Now you see Now you see, with this balanced price range after the market structure, this is still considered. Now we will sweep these equal lows, folks. We turn on our macro as well. So when we are in macro, there's something wrong with this, with my Mac actually. Yes, bro. But what I'm waiting for, I already told you guys, like, I wait for price to retrace till this inversion, and then we'll look for buys. You can still take an entry from here to this volume imbalance. This could be a real good short, folks. Let me mark it out for you. This would be our stop, and this would be your first target. Go for it, folks. This volume imbalance would be your target. You see this little, you still have, yeah. You can target this volume imbalance, folks. Like there delay. In the price action is, folks. So this is our range, folks. You see, this is what ICT teaches us. All right. Hit the like button if you're watching. Hit the like button, folks. Hit the like button, folks, if you're watching this, so that I know how many of you are watching this. You see that we got like 4.39 RR, folks. We got it. You see that we hit this volume imbalance, folks. And we also hit this inversion fair value gap. This is our inversion. You see that? This is our inversion. And the possibility is you see this wick, down close wick. We can come till this consequent encroachment, folks. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. Consequent encroachment, right? These are our lows. We don't need the midline of it. We only need this. This inversion needs to be get filled, and we could hit this consequent encroachment. Hit the like button, folks. Now you see that how clean the price action is. Let me see the one. Okay. You see that? Just watch the clean price action, folks. Watch out, watch out, watch out the clean price action. Now we have done with this premium and discount. Now what we can do, what the possibilities are, we could took out this low, and this would X as our stop hunt. If we go below this and came right after it, we would consider this as a stop hunt. Okay, I'm not doing that right now, but we can. If price gains below this and sharpen again towards the buy side, we will consider this as our stop hunt, and we can market could retrace from this consequent encroaching as well, because we have this very long wick. You see, long wick, down close wick. Let's look at the 2-minute time frame. We have to make like a swing high so that we can get a market structure shift. Let's see what's going on. With the gold, you see that? I told you folks, this would be our target. If we took a short from this, actually I came live a little bit late, or else we got this trade. This is like a good setup, folks. It's really a good setup. This would X is our inversion. To go for short. This would be the lowest hanging fruit we got. Now we took this like actually these equal rows. See that, folks? And the possibility is there is like a VC as well. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. We have this VC over here. I hope you guys don't have any problem understanding this chart. If you do, just do let me know as well. Now what I'm waiting for is the macros, then and only I'll look for any more setup now. But for now, I am actually done. Oh shit. Let's look at this. What happened to the silver for the time ago? So we have this inversion fair value gap. I won't be looking for any more setups until the macros gets started. Okay. Now you guys could be getting a delay as well. But you don't need to be in rush, folks. Alright? Don't be in rush. Just accept the price action, or else you'll be gone. See? Let's just keep our mouth shut. Okay, now folks, we are in the macros, okay? As I told you folks, we can go below this equal low and took out the sell side, alright, and then we'll look for the buys. That could be the scenario. Inversion, fair value gap has already been filled, right? So we don't need it anymore. The only thing I'll be looking for is this. This is not our setup now. You see, I told you it's consequent encroachment. This could X as our consequent encroachment. if we close above this, then this would be our breaker. All right. So this is our order block right now, like bearish order block. If the price closes above this, then this would be considered as our breaker block. The price should give us an entry within the macros. Let's mark it off to 10, 10. This would be considered as our macros. Till this point we have our macro going on actually. What I'm looking for is that I want like price to sweep this low. All right. Now if price sweep this low, I'm waiting for price to show some kind of sharp move. All right. Using respected this. Now you tell me, folks, what should I consider this? Stop hunt? Right? what we should consider this as. Alrighty. I'm still considering this as our stop hunt. If price stays above this, if it stay above this, I'll consider this as our stop hunt. You see how clean the price action is. Now this could act. Let's see what this has to show us. Let's just watch and it zoom. It has nothing to show us right now, folks. All the indicators are getting failed right now. I'm not in rush, folks, because I already gave you the trade, right? If none of you took this one, now what I'm looking is this could be considered as fair value, or it could act as our inversion. I'm waiting to see this fair value gap to become an inversion. Let's take a look at the gold. Now you see we haven't closed above this. Okay. Now you see it is still respecting this fair value gap. We can't say anything if it is still respecting this fair value gap. If it did that, this could be like market structure shift, you see that, and could go lower from this fair value gap. But what my actual, since we already in this daily fair value gap, so I'm not willing for price to go more beyond this because we are already in the internal range liquidity. That's our daily fair value gap. So I'm not much more interested in the shorts, but if it goes, can't do nothing off of it, folks. You see that? Let's look at this. Now, now let's see what price has to show us. I don't need to see this. Now you see, I told you. I want this fair value gap version. This is what I want, folks. Price has to close, folks. Alright. This is still respecting the fair value gap, folks. Respecting the fair value gap. I see. You see that? We have the sell side over here and the SPX, folks. We have got the buy side. Now it's offering the sell side. We are going down. We are going down, folks. Just at least for now. You see how the cleanness price action is? Okay, now you see this little volume imbalance, folks. I'm no more interested in this, folks. I'm no more interested. This price has already given us a real good move. Consider this trade and go to this low. We got like 7.75 RR. But ICT teaches us to go for the low. Price is still respecting this fair value gap. And what we have here, structure shift. I cannot expect more than this. The daily fair value gap we have. Or selling more right now. If you look at this, see out. I want you ATH, like all-time high. It costs you make myself to give you more these kind of setups on a daily basis, but just on the days where there should be a news driver. All right, for now I'm not being interested in because it has give us a real big move to the downside, and that's what we are looking for, right? That's what I told you folks. If I got any entry, I'll let you know, but for now we don't have any. Like, market has already given so much bullish or bearish move, so market will is has to consolidate a bit. It'll be what I'm considering is it will consolidate within this zone, within this daily fair value gap for a while, and in the next macro then we could get a move, but for now we're almost done. This is like considered as a rejection block. I don't know what it is, but that's what it seems like. All right, folks. So talk to you next time, next weekend. And I want you to, if you didn't subscribe it or like it, yes, I want you to do that, please. So meet you again on the Monday. New trading day, new trading week. Until then, take care. Good luck.